Let's look at a key case in criminal law for the area of causation. This case is R and White and it was heard in 1910. This case concerns Mrs. White, who was found deceased in her home. Near where she was sat in her home was found a drink which was discovered to contain cyanide, which is a poison which can be fatal when ingested in large doses. Mrs. White's post-mortem determined that her death was not due to the cyanide, as there was not sufficient cyanide in the drink to cause her death, but rather she had died due to a heart attack. The victim's son, who was the defendant, was found to have purchased the cyanide and have motive for causing his mother's death, and was therefore charged with her murder. In this case, the defendant was found not guilty of murder, but guilty of attempted murder. This is a case that you can use when looking at factual causation. Of course, you've got to show factual causation and legal causation, and this is your authority for factual causation. Here, the defendant could not be convicted of the murder of his mother, as factually he'd not actually caused her death. Her death was the result of the heart attack. This is often known as the but-for test, where it must be shown but for the actions of the defendant, the victim would not have died. And that was not the situation here. She died irrespective of the defendant's actions.